In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of finding the Jujutsu Chronicles experience and how to access it. You will be able to do this on any platform, so I am recording this video and I'm gonna do this process on PC, but of course you can follow along on mobile or any console including PlayStation or Xbox. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox and in here using the search function, look for Jujutsu Chronicles. Immediately upon typing CH, it should automatically suggest Chronicles because it is a very popular experience. It is going to be the first one to pop up, and you can see that it is made by Jujutsu Chronicles Verified. It has more than 20 million visits, and you can confirm that this is the official one. You will be able to create a private server or join right away. As you can see, you can use E to use your energy, you can use the left mouse button or mouse 1 to combat, you can use the right mouse button for alternative attacks or combo finishers, left mouse button and space to jump and do an air combo, Q to dash, F to block, T to train endurance, 1 to use your curse tool, and 2 for your companion. Now, all that you have to do is join the experience. Keep in mind that in this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail on what you have to do and the objective and how to progress. This is something that you should do your own research on because it can get quite extensive. But basically, immediately upon joining, you can choose the map where you want to spawn. As you can see, you have plenty of options. Usually, most players will opt for the default Miyashi Park, but of course, you can go over to Jujutsu High if you would like to see how it looks. Immediately upon loading in, you are free to go wherever you want. You can click on the help option here if you want to get information on what you have to do. As you can see, to rank up, you simply need to meet the stat requirements and then go to high school and talk to the principal there. For heavily restriction users, you must complete missions given by Toju. And usually, you are basically free to roam wherever you want. There are a lot of things to explore, a lot of secrets, a lot of NPCs to talk to, and you will be able to learn all sorts of abilities and skills. So make sure that you explore and watch a lot of videos to know your objective. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.